Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've gone for quite a colourful look today. I kind of wanted to do something with blue because blue is one of them colours that everyone's like, no, stay away from. So yeah, that's kind of what today's video is. Got some graphic liner, loads of colour and some warm tones as well through the crease. So basically what everyone loves. Yeah, if this looks like something you'd enjoy, please keep on watching, and if you do enjoy, please give the video a like, leave me a comment and do subscribe so you don't miss any videos. It helps my channel out and I appreciate it very, very much. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video and I'll see you very soon. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go in with is the shade Realgar, which is here. It's from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to run that through the crease on a fluffy blending brush. I'm then going to take the Masquerade palette by Juvias Place, and then I'm going to go into the shade Zulu, which is this bottom shade here, and I'm just going to take this on like a denser brush just so I can have it a bit closer to the crease, and just focus this in that crease area. And as usual, always going back in with a fluffy brush. I'm then going to take the shade Ada, I think I'm saying that right, who knows, which is like this maroony, browny red kind of colour. I have no idea. I feel like describing colours is really difficult. And just start deepening up that crease. And then I'm just going to take some concealer. This is just the NYX HD one. And I'm just going to start cutting that lid. And I'm going to start from the outer part and then bring it in. And then something I always do, if you watch my videos you know, I just set that concealer down just to stop things from looking muddy, and you know, I don't want things sliding all over the place, so I do always set that. I know some people don't, but I'm too scared not to at this point. Then I'm going to go back into the Masquerade palette, and I'm going to take the shade Dahlia, which is the blue here. And on a wet brush, I'm just going to start applying that on where we cut the crease. Okay, I'm then going to take a mixture of eyeliners. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner pen and then the Rimmel Glam Eyes Like Liquid eyeliner. So the reason I'm taking two is because some things are easier with a wand and some things are easier with a pen. So yeah, and then I'm just going to do basically what I've done here. So I'm going to do the big wing, but obviously it's a lot easier to show you than it is to tell you. So I will get on with that, and then hopefully you guys will get the gist of what I'm trying to explain. So essentially what I've done with the eyeliner pen is draw like the outline, and then I'm kind of just going to fill it in with the like wand brush applicator one, just because it's a little bit darker and like blacker. And then I'm just gonna basically go round where we cut the crease, where we put that blue. I'm just gonna go around and like outline it almost. I'm then going to take the shade Obsidian here from the Prism palette, and I'm just going to blend it onto the eyeliner so it can blend easier into that blue, just because eyeliner struggles to blend into eyeshadow. So I'm just going to put some eyeshadow so that it'll easily blend. I'm then going to take the Maybelline Colossal Mascara and just apply a few coats to my top lashes. And then I'm just going to take a pair of the ARDELL Wispies and I'm just going to glue them onto my lids. Okay, and they are my lashes glued on quite nicely. I'm just going to go and do my face off camera and then I will be back to finish this look. I kind of feel like going really bright on the lower lash line again because I'm just insane. Oh, we'll go for a different blue. So we're going to go for the shade Zola. I apologise if I'm completely butchering all these names. So we're just going to put that along the lower lash line. Honestly, if I could have some pencil eyeliner inside the waterline, it would really finish off this look, but I didn't bring any, so I can't. So instead, I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes. Okay, I'm just going to run those two shades here, Zulu and Ada, just the shades that we used for that top bit. I'm just going to run them underneath just because I feel like it needs to match the top a little bit more. I'm then going to take the shade Giza, which is like that light shade, and I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Don't know why I highlight my brow bone, because I'm just highlighting the fact that I need to pluck my brows. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like an alien from outer space, and yeah, like perfect for, you know, those alien parties that everyone has. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give the video a like, leave me a comment down below and subscribe. And if you click the bell icon, you will get a notification every time I upload. Totally up to you. Maybe that's something you want, maybe it's not. But yeah, if you feel like it, go ahead and do it. So yeah, that's all I have to say. And thank you once again for watching, because I appreciate it very, very much if you clicked and watched this video, because, you know, you're helping a girl out and yeah, I appreciate it. So thank you very, very much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye everyone.